All right, today I want to talk about something a lot of you have been asking me about lately, and that's Affiliate Tonight. I've seen the ads, I've watched the videos, and I've spent time breaking down exactly what this system is, how it works, and who it's really for. So in this video, I'm going to give you a clear and honest review so you can decide if Affiliate Tonight is worth your time and money. So first, what is Affiliate Tonight? In simple terms, it's an affiliate marketing system that focuses on promoting already proven top-selling digital products instead of creating your own. That's a big deal because creating your own product can take months, require technical skills, and cost a lot of money. With Affiliate Tonight, the idea is that you plug into offers that are already converting and you earn commissions every time a sale is made through your link. According to the training, commissions usually range from around 65% up to 75%, and in rare cases even higher. One thing that stands out is how beginner-friendly this system is positioned. You don't need to quit your job, you don't need to show your face on camera, and you don't need to build a brand from scratch. The training is designed so you can start in your spare time, even if you're completely new to affiliate marketing. They also emphasize that the daily workload is pretty small once things are set up, usually under 30 minutes a day, which is appealing if you're busy or just want a side hustle. Inside Affiliate Tonight, you get access to a virtual masterclass that walks you through the entire process step by step. This includes HD video lessons, a clear roadmap, checklists, and an affiliate toolkit to help you avoid confusion. One interesting part is that you can get access to the same products the creator is promoting, which removes a lot of guesswork about which offers to choose. There's also training on running ads, which is important because traffic is one of the biggest challenges in affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about expectations. You've probably seen income numbers like $1,000 a day or more mentioned in the promotion. While those results are possible in affiliate marketing, they're not automatic. Results depend on consistency, following the system correctly, and being willing to learn and test. This is not a push-button system, but it can be a solid shortcut compared to trying to figure everything out on your own. Overall, Affiliate Tonight is best suited for beginners or intermediates who want a structured path into affiliate marketing without creating their own product or showing their face online. If you're someone who prefers step-by-step guidance and proven offers, this could be a good fit. If you want to learn more about how it works and see what's included, check the link below and watch the full masterclass so you can decide for yourself. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.